What we wanted to do was automate the quote process and the order process. What we wanted to do is take the non-value added time out of the process, the wait time out of the process.
We're clearly positioned to bring products to market faster than we used to. With Cincom, we're also positioned to have a better user experience. A lot of what we refer to as special design requests, which are a lot of the same as accept type things that our customers want to do, we're able to more easily build those into the configurations so that as we see a pattern and a repeat of certain product configurations, we're able to drive that into the standard offering very quickly. And in some of our business units, we're able to eliminate a lot of our special design requests that we've historically had to handle manually. So that obviously builds speed and efficiency into the process.
Since going to Cincom's product, we have gone to a completely electronic process. It used to be those couple days to get the order to the floor, and now within minutes it's available for MRP. So we've really changed it from getting the order in, doing the engineering work, getting the approval, and finally getting the order entered, to something where the customer selects the product based on performance needs, and what comes out to the manufacturing floor are manufacturing requirements.
And being able to move that electronically into the factory through the Cincom technology into things like bills of material and part numbers that are recognizable by our manufacturing system. So we bring the order together with the machine code at the shop floor level, and the operator's got what he needs to start producing that product on the shop floor. And that happens within minutes, literally. The result of this is that orders pass through the system almost instantaneously. So when that rep in the field presses the order button, we grab that information and pull it through these series of processes, transforming it into an order in our manufacturing processes, and for that matter, delivering information to the shop floor almost instantaneously. This supports our business initiatives around quick build capabilities, where we'll respond to a customer on a 1-day, 2-day, 3-day program for turning his order around, and of course we charge him a premium for that. But that ability to bring that order through quickly, get it processed quickly, and get it to the shop floor supports this quick build program completely. One of our key strategies continues to be acquisitions, and we've done a number of acquisitions in the past. Our tool has to be flexible enough so that we can take on new businesses, and we can use the technology to configure products from a new acquisition that we haven't had before. We want to be able to have one face to the customer and package a whole system of products as opposed to individual products. So the technology platform that we need to partner with Cincom on is needed in this context. And I think that's the expectation of the business, that we're infinitely flexible and multinational and multi-brand.
And our goal is to be completely integrated with all of our business partners, and I think Cincom's product really helps us get to that point a lot quicker.
Our business has more than doubled. Number of orders are 3 times what they were when we started the project, yet we have half the number of people doing that order prep work that we used to have. So we've grown tremendously and reduced that overhead that was required before to get an order in the system.
Significant improvements in efficiency, significant reductions in our factory problems, rework problems, as well as significantly fewer field problems, which is really what you want to avoid. We're first or second in almost every product line. We probably went from around 28% up to 40% of the market. In our damper and louver business, we probably grew in terms of market share as well from about 18% to probably closer to 25%. That was in a down market. So we were not going to give up the market share. We were going to continue to grow market share, even if it cost us some margin, and we were going to offset it with operational efficiency. And we become the easiest company to do business with in every domain.
Cincom does a very nice job in their professionalism, their integrity. What they say they're going to do, they're going to do.
One of the things I can always speak to is the integrity of the organization. I consider this such a valued partnership that I don't mind doing the reference calls, taking the time, usually take an hour, hour and a half, and go through whatever questions they have. Because we have an interest in that partnership and making sure that Cincom's successful along with Greenheck. We view it as a long-term engagement, so we want to make sure that we can add value to the Cincom organization as much as they have added to ours.